As you know, EMS is facing a crisis that threatens their ability to provide crucial healthcare emergency services across the country. The additional burdens placed on our system and its personnel during the pandemic exposed years of underfunding and insufficient reimbursement that's at a critical breaking point. Congress must act now in order to equip our EMTs and paramedics with the support that they need so they can continue to provide our communities with the support and care they deserve.
EMS agencies across the country are also experiencing the strain of a severe shortage of paramedics and EMTs, difficulty in obtaining supplies and equipment, and the high use of fuel at skyrocketing prices. Establishment of a new HHS grant program open to all ambulance service providers to fund paramedic and EMT recruitment, training, equipment, supplies, maintenance, and mental health support would be a first step in addressing this crisis. The passage of the Supporting Our First Responders Act would establish an EMS grant program under the Secretary of Health and Human Services. The purpose of this program would be to improve EMS readiness. This bill would represent the largest federal grant program specifically for all EMS agencies across the country.
Today, we're asking for your support to sign a letter petitioning congressional leadership to advance this key bill and allow our ambulance service agencies and the country's paramedics and EMTs to have the resources to continue providing crucial 911 services. You can do this by going to our website at boundtree.com and selecting EMS Advocacy. As always, thanks for all that you do.